In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make GoHighLevel responses blue. We'll start inside your GoHighLevel account on the main dashboard. If you manage more than one location, confirm you're in the correct workspace so the style change applies to the right site. Next, open the Sites section from the left-hand menu. This is where all website and chat visual settings live. Inside Sites, choose Chat Widget. That opens the editor for the widget that appears on your website and landing pages. In the widget area, look for a section or tab labeled Highlight. Selecting it brings the color controls for key elements into view. Now switch to SMS/email chat. This tells GoHighLevel you want to style the conversation experience your visitors see, including the color of the response bubbles. In GoHighLevel, responses usually refers to the messages your team sends back in the conversation. Depending on the theme, customer messages may remain neutral while your replies adopt the highlight color. Choosing a clear, on-brand blue helps users track who's speaking at a glance and keeps your chat aligned with the rest of your site. Move into the Style tab. Style holds the design controls rather than behavior or settings. Then open Appearances. You'll see options for colors, fonts, and accents. Find the control labeled Highlight again. This is the color picker that controls the accent color used on message components. In most themes, the highlight color drives the background of your outbound messages, buttons, and links, so changing it is the cleanest way to make your responses blue. Click the color swatch to open the picker. You can drag the slider to a blue you like, or enter your brand's hex code directly if you have one. Aim for a medium to darker blue so white text stays readable. Strong contrast is important for accessibility. If you're unsure, start with a classic blue and adjust slightly brighter or darker as your design requires. Watch the live preview to see how your chat bubbles update. If the blue looks too muted or too intense, nudge the saturation or brightness, then check the preview again. Keep an eye on icons and link states as they often inherit the same highlight. If you don't see an immediate change on your public site, give it a moment or refresh the page. Some caches update on a short delay. Most accounts autosave changes in this editor, but always confirm that your change has been applied before you close the page. When you're satisfied, your chat widget will display blue responses anywhere it's installed. That's it. You've turned your GoHighLevel responses blue by updating the highlight color within the chat widget's style and appearances controls. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.